Hello friends, I am Amit Dahiya. Again, good afternoon. We are doing exercise 5.2 arithmetic progression class 10th chapter number 5. Some questions are left, so I want to discuss that question also. They are most important question as per the point of view of the exam. So let's see some questions like the question number 12. Two APs have the same common difference. Two APs have the same common difference, and the difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 term? So let us understand this question. Let the first we assume that the two different APs, the first AP is A1 and A1 plus D and A1 plus 2D and so on. Second AP is A plus D, A plus 2D and so on. Why D is here? Because D is same in the both the AP, so I write it is the same, and terms A1 is different. Starting first term of both the AP is different. So what is the next? It is said that the difference between their 100th term, the 100th term of first AP will be A1 plus 99D. 100th term for the second AP is A plus 99D, and the difference is between the 100 terms, so A1 plus 99D minus A minus 99D plus, so as we open the minus bracket, so we'll get A1 plus 99D minus A minus 99D. So 99 plus minus cancel out, what left? A1 minus A, and the difference is equal to 100. For the 1000 terms, there is A1 plus 999D minus A minus 999D. These two terms are cancelled out. What left? A1 minus A, and this equation A1 minus A is equal to 100. So we can say that the difference between the 1000th term of these two AP is equal to 100. If it is asked about the second term difference, then also it is equal to 100. If it is asking about 85th term, 85th term, then it also be 100. So move for the next question. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? Multiples of 10, multiples of 4. Multiple of 4 means the numbers which are divisible by 4, or the number which are having 4 as a factor. So, or we can say that easily the numbers which comes in the table of 4. So between 10 and this, so number after 10, that is multiple of 4 is 12. After that is 12, then it will come 16, then it will come so on, and try for the 250th nearest. So divide it by 4. 2 4 6 are 24, and 4 left is 10. 4 2 are 8, that remainder is 2. Subtract the remainder from the 250, it means 248 is the last term. So what we have to find out, this is an AP, We find the first AP, and what I have to find out, how many multiples. It means n I have to find out number of terms is what. So number of terms find out करने के लिए what I have to do, let this consider this is the nth term. So nth term that equals to 248, and nth term equals to a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 248, and a is here 12. What is a? A is 12. Let me know what is d. D is what? 4. So a is 12, so 248 equals to 12 plus n minus 1 into d is 4, and then transpose of 12 this side, you will minus it. 248 minus 12, and the 4 is in multiplication, transpose it, then it will in divide, is equal to n minus 1. If you will go for that, 236 divided by 4, then cancel out this 4, 2 5s and 9, 59 is equal to n minus 1, and then n is equal to 59 plus 1, that equal to 60. So number of terms, number of multiples of 4 are 60. Next we will go for what value of n are the nth term of two APs are equal. So we have to find out the value of the n for both the APs, and what it is given that for what value of an nth term of the equations are given. So let both the APs nth terms are equal. It means find the nth term of this, find the nth term of this. So nth term and nth term, and both nth terms are equal, so we can write there. First term in the first AP is a is equal to 63, and d a1 d1 is equal to 2, and the for second a is equal to 3 and d is equal to 7. And for this nth term equals, so nth term of this a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 equals to what? A1 plus n minus 1 into d1 equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So the first term is 63, so 63 plus n minus 1 into d is 2, d1 is 2, is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. So you will go for that 63 plus n minus and 2 multiply this, or you can transpose this. So this is in plus, in this minus, 63 minus 3, then we can write 60 plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 7n minus 7. Transpose of 7 is this side, and transpose of 2n this side. So what you get? You get 60 minus 2 plus 7 is equal to 7n minus 2n. It means there is 60 minus 2, 58 plus 65, that equals to 5n, or we cancel out, and then 13 5s and value is 13. So for n is 13, both the nth term of these APs are equal. Let's do the next question. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. This from the last. We have discussed this question in slide number 2. From the last, there are two methods. From the last 20th term, from the last means last term minus n minus 1 into d. One formula is this, and the second formula is a plus minus n minus 1 into d. Whatever your choice, you can apply this. So last term is 253 minus n is what is 20th, 20 minus 1 into d is 5. So we'll apply that. 253 minus 20 minus 1 19, 19 5 is 95, and then we subtract that, this equals to 78. Got it? And the first formula, again you can go for the first formula. This a you can write is 3 minus n is, first you have to find the number of terms here. N is the number of terms, so and find out, if you want to apply this formula, you have to find out n m minus n आएगा. Sorry, this is m minus n into d, m number of terms, then you can solve this. So try this. Hence the formula is a plus m minus n into d. M is the number of terms. So put last term is equal to nth term. So 253 is equal to a is 3 plus n minus 1 into d is 5. You subtract this. 253 minus 3, 250 divided by 50, 50 is equal to n minus 1. So n is equal to 51. So here n means m is equal to, so we can choose m is equal to 51 and put this m in the formula, that a is 3 plus 51 minus 20 into d is 5. So 3 plus 50 minus 20, 51 into 5, that equals to 3, and this plus 155, and that equals to 158. So next is Ramkali saved 5 in his first week of a year and then increase her weekly saving by rupees 1.75. If the nth week her weekly saving becomes this, find the value of n. So simple question. What is Ramkali is doing? Suppose एक एग्जाम्पल घर में लेते हैं, 5 रुपये हर रोज़ आपको मिलते हैं. एक दिन फर्स्ट में 5 रुपये मिले, फिर सेकेंड में 5 दिन मिले 5 रुपये मिले, तो 10, सेकेंड डे पे 10, थर्ड डे इट इज़ ऑल्सो 10 plus 5 15. So what is the difference? A common difference is 5, and what is the first amount is 5. So here the first amount is 5. A1 is a is equal to 5 rupees and t is 1.75 rupees. So this is the nth term. So suppose 20.75 is equal to nth term, that equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 5 plus n minus 1 into d is 1.75. So subtract this, transpose this. 20.75 minus 5, it means equals to 15.75 divided by 5. 1.75 divided by 1.75 is equal to n minus 1 into d. So 15.75 divided by 1.75 is equal to n minus 1. Decimal is cancel out with decimal. and that approximately cut down by 9. So 9 is equal to n minus 1 and 10 is equal to n. So number of weeks, the amount is equal to 20 point is 10 weeks. 10 weeks. Got it, beta? So thanks a lot for watching, and please subscribe my channel and like, and please comment me if you are not getting any of the questions. Thank you.